Di ba? We can immediately use the Supreme Court decision. You did something that is unconstitutional. Ang iniisip ko na parang sasabihin nila, it's a case of first impression. No, it's not a case of first impression. Because there is already a directive. There are rules. There is a law, which is the Constitution, kung saan ito ay linabag. Pag unang beses mong linabag ang isang illegal na nakalagay doon sa batas natin, it is not a case of first impression. It is merely a violation of the law. Ang sabi ni Rostov, Zel Brusula, waiting kay Auntie Claire, dapat itong si Auntie Claire nga, magsalita na rin. Yung mga kasinungalingan mo noon, dapat i-backpedal mo na.